In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Virtru in Gmail. First, let's start by installing Virtru for Gmail. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This is crucial because Virtru works best with Chrome as your web browser. Once you're on Chrome, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll find a vast array of extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. In the search bar of the store, type in Virtru Email Protection for Gmail. After a moment, you should see the Virtru extension listed in the search results. Click on Add to Chrome to initiate the installation process. A pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation. Click on Add Extension to proceed. You'll need to wait a brief moment for the installation to complete. This step is essential as it lays the groundwork for securing your emails with Virtru. Once the installation is complete, it's time to activate Virtru in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a Virtru activation prompt appear on the screen. When you see this, click on Activate. This is where you'll sign in using your Google account. Enter your credentials when prompted. After signing in, you will be asked to allow certain permissions for Virtru to function properly. This step is important because it grants Virtru the access it needs to protect your emails. After granting the necessary permissions, click on Done to finish the activation process. You will see a confirmation that Virtru has been activated, ensuring you can now send secured emails. Now that you have activated Virtru, let's move on to using it when sending emails. Click on the Compose button in Gmail to start a new email. Once the Compose window opens, look closely for the Virtru protection toggle. This toggle is typically located at the top of the Compose window. When you find it, turn the toggle on. You'll notice that it changes color to blue, indicating that Virtru is now active for this email. This is a critical step because it ensures that your email will be sent securely. Now take a moment to write your email as you normally would. After finishing your message, click Send to dispatch your email securely. This final action confirms that your email is protected by Virtru, giving you peace of mind. By following these steps, you have successfully installed and activated Virtru in Gmail. Each step ensures that your emails are protected, enhancing your privacy and security. Using Virtru is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and headaches later on. You have now equipped yourself with a powerful tool to safeguard your communications. Remember, securing your emails is essential in today's digital landscape. It helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your sensitive information safe. With that ready, you are all set to use Virtru with Gmail. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By enabling Virtru, you have taken an important step towards enhancing your email security. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your communications are protected.